Hey kids, do you remember me? Yes, my name is E. Today I am not alone. I have a new friend. Do you want to meet him? Hey guys, my name is G. I hope all of you remember me, right? It's nice to meet you all. I welcome all of you to English online class. Now children, do you remember my sound? Yes, it is E. It is E. Egg. It's a healthy food. Elephant. It's a very big animal, isn't it? Wait. There is a big surprise today. Do you know I have another sound as well? Yes. Listen very properly, okay? The other sound is E. E. Everybody repeat after me. It is E. E. Yes. Now let's see some E sound words. Do you know what number is this? Yes, this is 11. This is 11. This number starts with E, but the sound is different, right? It is 11. Do you see what he is doing? He is writing with a pencil, right? Oopsie, he made a mistake. So what do we need right now? Yes, we need an eraser. We use an eraser to rub that is wrong while writing. Eraser starts with E, but the sound is eraser, not eraser. Okay? Now children, I know all of you know the name of this bird. Can you name this bird? This is eagle. Very good. This is eagle. It starts with E, but the sound here is eagle. Okay? Very good, children. Can you see this? What is this? It's looking like a snake, isn't it, children? But do you know this is a fish? Yes, it's a fish. Its name is eel. The name is eel. It starts with E, but the sound is eel. It lives underwater. Do you remember my sound? What is my sound? It is G. Right. It is G. Good. Now, can you tell me some words that start with G sound? What is this animal? Very good. It's gorilla. Where does a gorilla lives? It stays in a jungle. Very good. Gorilla. Can you name the next animal? What is this? Yes, this is goat. Goat. There's another surprise today. Do you know I have another sound as well? Yes, listen very carefully. My other sound is J. Everybody repeat after me. It is J. Yes, very good. Now come on, let's see some J sound words. I know all of you know the name of this animal. Can you name it? Correct. It is giraffe. It is giraffe. It starts with G, but the sound is giraffe, not giraffe. Okay? So giraffe. Oh my God! It's such a big bunny. Do you know what do we call the things that are very big? We call it giant. Okay? So this is a giant bunny. It starts with G, but the sound is J. Hey, do you remember my new sound? It is E. Yes. Do you remember my new sound? It is J. Very good. We will see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.